Guys, Isaac back from Undeniable with another protein bar review. This is Fortifix, I think it is. This is the peanut butter, naturally flavoured. Looks very yum. Going over the stats on the back of this one, we're looking at a massive 320 calories, which is huge for a protein bar, normally around the sort of 200 range. You're looking at 13 fat, so that's a fair chunk, but for 320 calories, it's not too bad. You're looking at 31 carbohydrates. Again, not too bad most of the time. Carbohydrates are your highest macronutrient, so that's normally fine. Dietary fiber in there is 3 grams. That's probably a little bit low for 320 calories, but you should be getting fiber from somewhere else. And then 20 grams of protein. So probably the protein's a little bit lower than I expected for 320 grams, but not much. Like I was expecting maybe 25 or something like that. So yeah, overall looks pretty good. Yeah, it's you'll be able to fit it into your diet pretty easy. You got highest macro carbs, next is protein, then lowest fat. So at least that's a good split. This is the peanut butter one, so maybe the fat is a little bit higher on this one for that reason. Okay, let's give this a go. It looks very good. Very nutty, all that kind of stuff. Smells good. Okay. A lot going on with this bar. Sort of got like the the top bit's like a peanut butter paste. It's very, very yum. Think like those Reese chocolates, or buttercups, sorry, or whatever they're called. Kind of like that kind of thing on top. And then they've got this sort of I don't know, like infill, sort of like, I don't know, maybe like a nutty biscuity kind of thing, base thing. It's pretty good. There's something, I don't know, I can't put put a flavour to it, but something a little bit different about it. But besides from that, it's very, very yum. Sticky, caramelly, gooey, obviously nutty. Really got that sort of peanut butter top bit there, which is really yum. Got a lot of nuts in it. Overall, very good, you know, especially considering that this is peanut butter. You're getting that 20 grams of protein in there. There is a minute sort of aftertaste, very, very small, of that sort of artificial sweetener. Normally that's stevia when I can taste it, so I don't know if this has got stevia in it. It might not. I can't see it there. It's got some, yeah, sorbitol and some other sort of alcohol sugars, but that's fine. Normally they don't really leave an aftertaste in my mouth, but can't see it there. Maybe I'm just missing it, but overall very nice, very, very yummy. Textures are on point. I think the macros are very good for this bar, considering that it is peanut butter. You're allowed to have a little bit of that sort of higher fat intake, but I think you can fit this into your diets. But even if you're dieting, I think you can fit it in, because I just think it's, even though it is 320 calories, you could almost use it as like maybe a mini meal replacement or like a big snack. So obviously that depends totally on your diet and what you're doing, but very, very yum. The probably only negative I'd say is it might have like a small aftertaste of a little bit of that sort of alcohol, not alcohol sugar, but a little bit of feels like an artificial sort of sweetener to it. But that'd be a very small negative. Rating for this, I like it. I think it's a 7.9. I think it's a very, very good protein bar. I don't know, I feel like just something's not as good as it could be. I'm not too sure what it is, which is a bit of a hard critique. But overall, very impressed with this protein bar. Fortifix, I think it is, peanut butter. yeah, very yum, very yum. I like that. I really like that peanut butter on top. So definitely check them out, guys. They've definitely got a very good macro split on the back there. They knew what they're doing when they were making it, clearly. And yeah, definitely check these guys out. Thanks for watching.